Hello friends, today we will be talking about which is the best BPSC coaching in India. That is best BPSC coaching center in India. When it comes to the selection of BPSC, Bihar Public Service Commission Coaching Institute at India level, people often gets confused like what to do. Like how to get information about the best BPSC coaching institute. And this is the only reason you should have knowledge of what are the websites that you should follow for the selection of best BPSC coaching institute. Not only for best BPSC coaching institute, for any coaching institute ranking and listing, there are few top ranked website like our education institute rank, bestcoaching.app, online khan market. And in case you want to book the demo with the coaching institute, you need to book the demo at thehinduzone.com. These are the genuine platform. Let's talk about what are the best BPSC coaching institute at India level. Best BPSC guidance platform is The Hindu Zone. You need to visit thehinduzone.com to have the access to this platform. At this platform, you can book the demo of the coaching institute of your choice. Please check the ranking at our education to know which is the best BPSC coaching institute in India level. Best BPSC coaching in India is Yojana IS Coaching Institute. We are discussing Yojana IS Coaching Institute. The good part of Yojana IS Coaching Institute is its past year result and the faculties which are specialized for Bihar Public Service Commission examination training. And it is very important that you should have the selection made for that particular coaching institute which has given good past year result, in which Yojana IS for BPSC is one of the best BPSC coaching institute with best BPSC examination result. We have already discussed about the Hindu Zone, which is the best platform for selection of best coaching institute, which also includes BPSC, that is Bihar Public Service Commission. So do not forget to visit the Hindu Zone, because at this platform only you will be able to get a lot of guidance and right mentorship, because at this platform this psychologist career guide are available. For BPSC examination preparation, Achievers IS Coaching Institute, which is located at Patna, Bihar, is also one of the best BPSC coaching institute in Patna, even at India level. And our education recommends Achievers IS Coaching Institute for BPSC examination preparation. Thanks for watching this video.